All right, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to give Hostinger access so someone can manage your hosting without sharing your password. First, open your browser, go to hostinger.com and sign into your account. Once the dashboard loads, we're ready to set up access. Now, look at the left side menu and click on Access and Authorization. This is where you can add people, control permissions, and remove access anytime. Next, select Access Sharing. Here, click the button that says Add Member or Share Access. A small form will appear asking for the person's email address. Type the email of the person you want to give access to, then choose the permission level, like Manage Websites, Billing, or Full Access. Pick only what they actually need to keep things secure. Now click Send Invitation. Hostinger will email them an access request, and they'll need to accept it before the access becomes active. Once they accept, they'll show up in your access sharing list. You can edit their permissions anytime by clicking the three-dot menu next to their name. And if you ever want to remove someone, just hit Remove Access. The change applies instantly. And that's it. Your Hostinger access is successfully shared without exposing your password. Thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe for more helpful